Hi students, in this video I am going to explain some important questions from the chapter Progression. By following this video, you can revise all the concepts of this chapter and you can score 100 out of 100. Let us start solving some questions. Which of the following are in AP? Which of the following are in AP? Find the common difference. Find the common difference and write three more terms. Three more terms, right? This is from second question from your book, Roman 4, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Some terms are given. We have to check whether it is in arithmetic progression or not. If it is in arithmetic progression, we have to find its common difference. Then we write next three terms. Okay. See here, first term, to check whether it is in arithmetic progression or not, we test whether the common difference is same or not. Now this is, let us find common difference. T2 minus T1. T2 is 5 by 2 minus T1 is 2. 2 to 4, 5 minus 4, 1 by 2. Again find T3 minus T2. T3 is 3 minus T2 is 5 by 2. 2 3 is 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2, 1 by 2. We got same difference. That means these terms are in AP. These terms are in AP. Once again, I am explaining how we got 1 by 2. Careful observe. Here T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. T2 is what? 5 by 2. Minus T1 is 2. Here there is no denominator. Say 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2 1. Now LCM is 2. First number, first fraction 5 by 2. Second is 2 by 1. Right? Multiply this by 2. LCM is 2. Right? 2 2 gets cancelled. 5 minus 2 2 ja 4. 5 minus 4, 1. 1 by 2. So in this way, you have to find difference. So we got same difference. T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2. So common difference is same. So common difference is 1 by 2. Now we are asked to write three more terms. Here first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Now we have to find fifth term. T5. Or in book, some books it is written as A5. You can write A5 or T5, no problem. So T5. T5 means we write A plus 4D. A plus 4D. A is 2, first term 2, 4D. 4 into D value is 1 by 2. 2 1s, 2 2 is 4, then 2 plus 2 1 is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So fifth term is 4. Fifth term is 4. Next, let us find sixth term. I am writing here T6, sixth term. Sixth term is A plus 5D. So A is 2, A means first term, right? 2, 5D, 5 into D value is 1 by 2. Then 2 plus 5 1 is 5 by 2. Then multiply these two. 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 by 2 is sixth term. In the same manner, find seventh term. A plus 6D, right? A is 2, 6 into D value is 1 by 2. 2 plus here, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. 3 1 is 3. So 2 plus 3, 5. Fifth term is 4, sixth term is 9 by 2, and seventh term is 5. Next question. That is fifth question in your book. 3 comma. Let us solve another question. That is 3 comma 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. Now we have to check whether this in AP or not, right? Find T2 minus T1. This is T1, this is 2 2, this is T3, this is T4. Term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. Okay, what is T2? T2 is 3 plus root minus T1 is 6. So plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled, we left with root 2. This is common difference root 2. In the same way we find T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus T2 is 3 plus root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2. This plus 3 becomes minus 3 plus root 2 becomes minus root 2. Here we have to multiply. This plus 3 has plus symbol. Minus into plus minus 3 minus into plus minus root 2. Plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. We left with 2 root 2 minus root 2. Here how many root 2's are there? 2 root 2's. Here only 1 root 2 is there. From 2 root 2 we have to subtract 1 root 2. That means we left with 1 root 2. Number of root 2's are 2 here. Here only 1 root. So subtract 1 root 2 from 2 root 2's. We get 1 root 2. Again, fine. We got common difference same. Common difference same. Root 2, root 2 in the two cases. That means these numbers are in AP. So our question is, next we have to find 3 more terms. This is T1, T2, T3, T4. Now we have to find T5. T5 is A plus 4D. A is 3 plus 4. D means here root 2. Common difference root 2. So multiply this. 3 plus 4 into root 2, 4 root 2. Next find sixth term. Sixth term can be written as A plus 5D. So A is 3 plus 5. D is root 2. 3 plus 5 into root 2, 5 root 2. Next seventh term. T7. A plus 7 means you are right, n minus 1 into d, that is 6d. A is 3 plus 6, d value is root 2. So 3 plus 6 into root 2, 6 root 2. So we got 3 terms, T5, T6, T7. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Whether these numbers are in AP or not. If they are in AP, we have to find common difference and next 3 more terms. Let us check. A1 is equal to root 2. Second term, A2 is equal to root 8. Third term, that is A3, root 18. Fourth term, A4 is equal to root 32. To find common difference, we know we subtract A1 from A2. A2 minus A1. A2 is root 8 minus A1 is root 2. Root 8. So whenever numbers are in root, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, use these numbers. Now I am writing root 8 as 4 into 2 minus root 2. 4 to 8 only. Square root of 4 is 2. So I can write 2 root 2 minus root 2. Here 1 root 2, here 2 root 2. We have to subtract 1 root 2 from 2 root 2. We left with 1 root 2. Okay. Now, let us find difference between A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. A3 is root 18 minus A2 is root 8. Root 18. This will be in 9 table. So I am writing 9 into 2 minus 8. Use this number, that is 4 into 2. Square root of 9 is 3. This number has no perfect square, so write root 2. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 has no perfect square root, so root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, meaning here we have 2 root 2's, here we have 3 root 2's. Number of root 2's are 2 here. Here number of root 2's 3. So subtract 2 root 2's from 3 root 2. That means we get 1 root 2. Okay. A2 minus A1, we got root 2. A3 minus A2 also is giving us root 2. That means common difference is same. Whenever common difference is same, the numbers are in AP. So this in AP. Next, our question is, we have to find next 3 more terms. We are given A1, A2, A3, A4. Now we have to find A5. A5 is equal to A plus 4D. A value is root 2 plus 4. D is common difference root 2. So root 2 here 4 root 2s. Here how many root 2s are here? 4 root 2s. Here how many root 2s are there? 1 root 2. So totally we have 5 root 2s. These all are root 2s. Here we have 4 root 2s. Here 1 root 2. Totally we have 5 root 2s. So 5 root 2. Next A6 means sixth term. This is written as A plus 5D. A is root 2 plus 5. D is root 2. So root 2 plus 5 into root 2, 5 root 2. Here how many root 2s are here? 5. Here how many root 2s are there? 1. So totally we have 6 root 2s. Finally we have to calculate seventh term. A plus 6D. So A is root 2 plus 6D. D is root 2. That is root 2 plus 6 into root 2, 6 root 2. Here how many root 2s we have? 6. Here how many root 2s we have? 1. So totally 7 root 2s. Okay, A5 we got, A6, A7. That's it. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Here given series is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. Here 78 is given. How many of the term this 78 we have to calculate? So for that 1, 2, 3, 4 term, 4 terms. Okay, how many at the term? This 78. In this way also that question is asked. So for this, to find any term, suppose here 78 is given, we have to find whether how many at the number is this. For that we use this nth term formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. You know it. In the place of Tn, write 78. This term is 78. A first term, that is 3 plus n I don't know, so n minus 1. D value, difference is what? 8 minus 3, 5. 13 minus 8, 5. So common difference is 5. Common difference is 5. So I am writing here 5. 78 plus is equal to 3 plus 5 into n. 5n plus into minus, minus 5 1 ja 5. Next step, 78. Here these are numbers. So minus 5 plus 3. 1 minus 1 plus. We have to subtract 5 minus 3, 2. 5 is larger number. So we write minus symbol plus 5n. We want only 5n. Send this minus to this side. This will become plus 2. 78 plus 2. That is 80. That is equal to 5n. We want n. N is equal to 80 by 5. 5 ones 5 16. So n is equal to 16, meaning 16th term is 78 in that given series. So 16th term is 78. So answer is 16th term. Right, next question. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2. So we have to check whether 150 is present or not in this given series. Okay, first term is A1, that is 11. Second term, that is A2, 8. I am finding common difference. We know formula for that. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. That is A2 is 8 minus A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. A1 is 11. So 8 minus 11. That is minus 3. 11 minus 8, 3. Okay. 8 minus 11. What do we write? Minus 3. To check whether this one minus 150 is in this term or not, in this series or not. For that also we use nth term only. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In the place of Tn, write that minus 150. A means A1 here, first term, that is 11 plus n minus 1. We don't know n minus 1. N. D value is minus. Put one bracket here. Minus 150, that is equal to 11 minus into plus, minus 3 into n, 3n. Minus into minus, plus 3 1 ja 3. Then 11 plus 3, that is 14. 14 minus 3n. minus 150 this side. Then send this plus 14 this side. It will become minus 40. Here we have minus 3n. Both are having minus, so minus 150, 14. How much? 164, right? That is equal to minus 3n. Minus minus gets cancelled. N is equal to 164 by 3. See, 3 5 is 15, 14 means 3 4 is 12. This is not divisible completely, right? So, this minus 150 is not in AP. Reason is nth term. Nth term means that may be first term, third term, seventh term, 20th term, or 25th term, like that. Here we should get one integer. Here you must get one integer after doing division. Integer means whole number, right? For this we are getting we got a fraction, right? If we get a whole number, then this minus 150 is present in AP. Here we got fraction, okay? That is impossible. So integer, here we minus 150 is not in AP. If we get a whole number here, then this number will be in AP. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Given information is 11th term is given. 11th term is 38. Okay. This 11th term we can write as A plus 10D. That is equal to 38. Say this is equation 1. Next, 6th term, 16th term. 16th term. That is 73. 16th term can be written as A plus 15D. That is equal to 73, equation 2. Here, let us solve these two equations. A plus 10D, that is equal to 38. A plus 15D, that is equal to 73. Now, subtract second equation from first one. A plus A becomes 2A. When these terms are same, here 1A, here also 1A, we have to cancel it. So to cancel, we have to subtract. This plus A becomes minus A, this plus 15 becomes minus, plus 73 becomes minus 73. Plus A minus A gets cancelled. Now here plus 10D, here minus 15D. 1 plus 1 minus. So we have to subtract 15 minus 10D, that is 5D. 15 is larger number, so its symbol is minus. That is equal to, here 1 minus, 1 plus we have. So we have to perform subtraction. 73 minus 38. That is 13 minus 8, 5. 12, 13 minus 8, 5. Next 6 minus 3, 3. 73 is larger, so we put minus symbol, right? Then minus minus gets cancelled. D is equal to 35 by 5. 5 1s, 5 7s. That is D value is 7. So after finding D value, we have to find A value. Substitute this D value in any one of these equations. See, first equation is A plus 10D. That is equal to 38. A we don't know. I am writing as this 10. D I know 7. That is equal to 38. A plus 10 into 7. That is 70. That is equal to 38. A is equal to 38. This plus 70 becomes minus 78. 8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 3, 4. So I got A value is minus 40. Our question is, we have to find 31st term. 31st term. 31st term is written as A plus 30D. Right? A is minus 40 plus 30. D value is 7. So minus 40 plus 3 7 21, that's 0. Next 210 minus 40, that is 170. 170, 210 is larger than 40, so plus symbol, 170. So 31st term is 170. Now we got d value 7. Substitute this 7 in any equation. Take first equation, that is a plus 10d is equal to 38. You can substitute this d value any one of the two equations. A is not given. A I am writing as this. 10. D is 7. That is equal to 38. A plus 10 into 7, 7. 70, that is 38. A is equal to 38 plus 70 comes this side, it will become minus 70. So 70 minus 38. 10 minus 8, 2. 6 minus 3, 3. 32. Minus 32. A value is minus 32. Our question is, we have to find 31st term. 31st term. 31st term is written as a plus 30th d. 30d. A is minus 32 plus 30. D value is 7. So minus 32 plus 7 3 are 21. 30 into 7, 210. Now we have to subtract 210. Subtract 32 from 210. 10 minus 2, 8. 10 minus 3, 7, 1. 178. 210 is larger than 32, so plus symbol. 178 is the 31st term of this given series.